a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
human hair, bam, Nadula hair. Y'all know we've been rocking with them for a minute. Like normally in a week, I'm uploading like 2 wigs by Nadula hair, and that speaks to how much I enjoy them because y'all know with this human hair, if it's trash, I tell you it's trash, we never work with them again. You know what's not trash? This E&J in my cup, not Hennessy. Straight E&J, irk and jerk. Let's see what Nadula sent, y'all. I don't know what's in this box, so we will look together. All right, so some edge things. Y'all know I ain't got no edges. Some stocking caps, 2 packs. The wig on the packaging says that it's a T-part, a 99J, and it's 24 inches long. Could have swore they sent me this. Where's Shell? See, look how pretty that 99J is, though. Gorgeous. All right. Let us see what she hitting on. She's very pretty. And y'all know with 99J, you never really know what you're gonna get. If it's gonna be more red, more purple, and this 99J blend is super nice. Look at that. It's a beautiful blend. Okay, let's look at this cap construction. All righty. All right, so it's not a T-part. That's what I was almost gonna say, a T-part. Nope, it is not, okay? You get tons of parting space. The last one they sent was a T-part. This one is not. Look, that looks like a, sorry. That looks like a 13 by 6, but look in the description box, you'll see comb to the right, comb to the left, comb in the back, and your adjustable straps, okay? You get baby hairs, they as long as heck, and y'all know, unfortunately, I'm not gonna cut them off because y'all know I'm gonna get rid of this, but I'm going to just flat iron them to the back. But look how long they are, okay? Before I cut this lace, let me plop her on my head and see what we get. Okay, yes, them baby hairs is super long. Okay, it looks like some damn bangs, don't it? Okay, but because you get all that parting space, y'all, you can wear it to the middle. You can wear it over here to the right. If my ratchet nail will pick some hair up. You could wear it over here to the left, okay? So tons of parting space. What I am going to do, I'm gonna cut off this lace. Yeah, cut off this lace. Flat iron them baby hairs back because they is in the damn way. And then come back with my final thoughts. But this color is so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. The texture, the color, everything. I wish that I was keeping this because I would cut them baby hairs, but instead, you know, I want to do that because, you know, whoever wants this, they gonna want them baby hairs. This wig is so beautiful, and I don't know if it's the color because it's a classic style, but this hair, the hair quality itself is really, really nice, y'all. Okay, so I definitely recommend this, but I found myself saying that with just about every, except that Michael Jackson wig by Nadula. Y'all hated that. I had to disable comments. Okay, but normally every wig that I get from them, y'all absolutely love, and this one is no different. So I definitely recommend them. If you look in the description box, I'll put all the details. Normally they will give me a coupon code, so you'll see that down there too, but absolutely gorgeous. Yes. And I love it. And I think I love it with this red lip. I don't know why I like 99J hair with a red lip. But that's so pretty to me. Definitely recommend this one. But like I said, other than that Michael Jackson wig, I normally do. Until next time, which will be very soon.